How to delete the blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So for that you must need to first of all open your WhatsApp. Make sure you have installed the latest version of WhatsApp on your device. If you have already done so, then you can simply go back. After that you need to go on the top right side with three vertical dots right here. After you tap there, just tap on the setting option, scroll down and then you will see the block option. If you have blocked anyone, just tap on privacy. Again scroll down and you have just block contacts right here. So you do have two blocked contacts here, and if you don't want to unblock them and you want to delete these contacts, then what you should do is you should go on the contact of your phone and delete the contact number from your actual phone, and after you do that they are already deleted from your phone without unblocking on WhatsApp. So yes, that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.